guys, this is me Alicia. So, maglalaro akong tiniklin with the book. Dahil ito, ayaw ni ate iganto yung book, oh. Yung dalawang book. Ganto, guys. Hahawakan. Ayaw niya, guys. So, gagawa na akong paraan. Ako na lang gagawa ng paraan. Akin na yan, di ka naman babasa. Ayaw niya, kas nanonood sila ng Hunter ulit. Alala niyo, guys, yung nahulog yung milk ni Daddy. Nahulog yung milk Daddy. Diba? Baka alala nyo. Okay. So, gagawin na natin for today's my vlog. Maglalaro lang tayong tinikling for sure. 3. So, kita nyo ba ako, guys? Kita nyo ba ako?
Ay, dapat nilalagyan pala kita niyan.
3. And 2. And 3, 2, and go. Hindi pala.
Magbe-break yan kapag gumamit ka ng min.
So tell me, what is the true goal that you and Nolan are pursuing?
We don't really have one. Before we ran into you and Sushi.
Medyo magulo yung ano ko dahil kita nyo naman, wala na naman akong diyan na lang. Guys, diyan na lang.
Guys, baka may alam kayong gusto ko maging
Everyone on the 200th floor just wants to reach the top floor. The Battle Olympia, right? Yeah, I'm not too interested. But Gon though, well, I'm not so sure. He says he doesn't care what happens as long as he gets to fight Hisoka. But after yesterday's match, I don't know. I get the feeling he just enjoys the thrill.
Guys, di nyo ba ako nakikita? Yung pa ako lang. Okay lang. Nabilang nyo ba? Bilangin nyo, guys, ha? 3, 2, 1. Guys, nakakapagod magtinikling. Wala muna tayong tubig, guys. Let's go! Hello. Hello ka.
Bali, ang kamay.
Kita nyo naman, guys. Naririnig nyo naman na hinihingal na ako. Sobrang nakahingal yung tinikling, guys.
It's like picking shoes. Once he's in the zone, he's decided everything.
Inom na tayo, guys.
They promised twice, so don't worry.
Oh dear. What have I done?
It's too late.
Hindi pa tapos.
We already know all the facts. Gon and me both.
Hoy,
Diba?
gusto ko maging artista.
Guys, gusto nyo maging artista. Okay lang yan. Pagtanda mo, magiging artista kayo.
You don't have to feel responsible.
ba't gusto mo ng artista?
Okay.
Ewan, gusto ko maging
Ayan na yung daddy ko. 3,
Gusto mo
and
pasigatin
2,
kita?
and 3, and 2. Isa pa ba, guys?
Hulog kita,
Okay,
sigaw ka
let's
dyan eh.
try.
Gusto ko maging
3,
artista.
2, 1, go.
Sigat ka.
There are so many
Viral ka na
things
bukas.
I have yet to teach you.
Baliw! Sumisigaw, gusto maging artista.
You can train with me.
Wait lang, guys. Ayan. Here you go.
Bulong mo yun.
Ang gulo ng vlog ko, guys.
may iniisip. Mabuti.
Ayan na.
Oh my gosh, na-order namin. Na-order mo
3,
na.
2, 1, go.
Give him a message for me then. Tell him to lend it to the other net to play.
Guys, napakakulit talaga nito si Daddy. Nagtitinikling ako ng gugulo. Tinatakpan yung vlog ko. Kakainis.
Panood sa TV yung cellphone.
Ay!
Anxiety.
Oh, sige. Ka dito. Magdadance kami ng daddy ko. Anxiety, feel it quietly. Shake it off for me, yeah. Anxiety, shake it. Asan na yung angas mo? Oh, guys, nawala yung angas. Nawala yung angas pag binibit. Okay, let's go to tinikling. 3,
Anong ginagawa nila,
3,
Meditate?
2, 1, go.
Kita mo nga kung nakikita kanina.
Master,
Ay, hindi pa pala ako nakikita. Ito.
my intention
Nakita niyo ba ako, guys?
have I
Parang nakikita niyo ako. Sige na.
terrible monster?
3, 2, 1, go. Dun, 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 dun. Hi guys, iipit muna ako. Mag-iipit muna ako. At nakainit kasi. Nakalugay pa yung tawag doon. Yung buhok ko.
What's going on? You found this agency on your own. And that tells me you're pretty sharp. Even so,
Uy, si
I
Kuya
can't
Pika.
introduce
Diba?
you to non-clients.
Nakaipit na ako guys. So yeah, next.
Daming tattoo.
3,
Some of our clients don't seem to mind.
3 and 2, 1. Dun, 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 dun.
What do you mean? Like I told you,
At yung ate ko naman nangungulit.
maybe.
So yun guys, hindi talaga to ginaganon no. Hindi siya inaano. Hindi ginaganon.
Mapupuno na yung ano mo.
Kasi hindi ko
Wala
alam.
pa kasi siyang nen.
So, I will wish. Ay, ano tawag doon? I will imagine na nagko-close to. Nag-i-imagine lang ako.
Kay ano.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go, go, go.
Hindi pa nila alam yung nen, kaya hindi pa tapos training nila.
What does she mean? What is it that I can't see?
What?
Kaya magtutulong sa kanya.
Guys, pagod na ako magtinikling.
Yung titikling.
Tinikling!
Yung titikling.
3, 2, 1, go, go, go.
Bam!
Naiinis na ako kay daddy, guys.
Wala kang word. Ipulit mo.
Sige, oh. Magsayaw ka. Diba? Wala angas niyan pag nag-vlog ako.
Ano kung tumama sa kanya yun?
Hi guys, this is me. Hi guys, this is me. So, gabing-gabi na. So, hindi pa ako nagta-time check. Time check is
This must be fate. Us crossing
11:36. So, ay! Nakakainis.
Hoy!
You didn't
Ano?
stole this. Or when I walked
Go.
right past you.
3, and 2, and 3, 2, 1.
Give me back my license
Dun,
right
dun,
now!
dun, 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 dun,
Does a newbie
Ba't
feel
yan?
something
dun,
then?
dun,
Turuan nga siya niya ng men.
dun, dun, dun.
Then, huh?
Kasama rin niya nung ano, kasama yan sa mga nag-train.
Do you get it now? There's something important you still lack.
Naglaban na sila?
Pagod na ako, guys. Ayoko na. So, magliliquid na tayo yung kinuha ko yung mga books. Nobody's wanna know me. Close your eyes. Dry your tears from the shade.
The real exam has.
So, yan guys. Ito, last time, ito yung writing ko nung grade 2 ako. So, mag-grade 3 na ako. Yay! So, yeah.
Grade 3 na siya pero di pa rin siya
Ito yung mutya ng section E. Pinabasa ng ate ko. Yung mutya ng section E, si JJ.
Ano ba?
Wala akong cash.
So, ito pala yung mga picture namin. Ito si ate. Ito kaming 4. Baby pa ako niyan eh. Mommy, ako, daddy, ate. Ate, ako. Yan. Pagod na ako, guys. Nakikita ka?
Nary and Jack GTO added.
Kano? Saan mo order?
Ano yung next na gagawin natin, guys? Nakalimutan ko pala to ilagay.
Pala ni Jack, kayo na?
Orderin mo.
So, ito, airplane to.
Yung spaghetti yan, yung family pan.
One month.
Kaso, guys,
Since
hindi naging airplane to. Tignan nyo. Hindi to lilipad, guys. Last time nililipad to eh. Tunip.
Aray ko, naninis kayo.
Tawag doon? Natupi to. Okay. And 3, 2, 1. Guys, diba? Saan pumunta? Dito. Hindi siya lumipad, so this is not amazing. So, yun lang for my vlog. Bye!